Ever wonder why your brain sabotages your budget? You're not careless, you're wired this way. Instant dopamine hits, emotional traps, and endless social comparisons hijack your spending. But here's the good news. You can hack your own psychology. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why your brain craves buy now buttons, how to spot emotional spending before it happens, and the one rule that stops impulse buys dead in their tracks. This isn't about willpower, it's about rewiring habits. Ready to finally make money work for you? Let's go. The psychology of spending and why you can't stop buying stuff you don't need. Your brain evolved to seek quick rewards, not manage modern finances. It confuses shiny objects with survival, which explains why a new gadget feels urgent. But here's the truth. Your brain isn't broken. It just needs better training. Every time you make an impulse purchase, your brain gets a dopamine hit. That rush feels great, but fades fast. Ask yourself, will this still matter tomorrow? If not, walk away. Future you will appreciate the restraint. Dopamine loves shortcuts. It prioritizes instant joy over long-term goals, like saving for a vacation. To outsmart it, track every purchase for a week. You'll spot patterns, like late-night scrolling or stress-induced splurges, and reclaim control. Stress, boredom, even celebration can trigger spending. That $10 latte after a bad day? It's a temporary fix with long-term costs. Name the emotion driving your purchase first. Awareness breaks the cycle. Social media bombards us with filtered perfection, luxury cars, exotic vacations, flawless lifestyles, but comparing your reality to someone's highlight reel is a losing game. Focus on your goals, not theirs. Your wallet and sanity will benefit. Shopping to feel better is like eating candy for dinner. It satisfies a craving but leaves you empty. Instead of buying, try a walk, a creative hobby, or calling a friend. Real therapy doesn't come with a receipt. Before buying non-essentials, pause for 24 hours. Most urgent wants lose their appeal overnight. If you still care after a day, consider it thoughtfully, not impulsively. You'll make fewer regrets and save more money. Gratitude rewires scarcity mindset. Write down 3 things you're thankful for daily: a pet, a warm meal, good health. Over time, you'll crave stuff less and appreciate what you already have. For 7 days, track every purchase and the emotion behind it. You'll uncover truths like, I spent $50 when lonely, or I bought this to impress others. Knowledge is the first step to change. Overspending isn't a moral failure. It's biology mixed with modern temptation. But with small steps, tracking, pausing, reflecting, you can rewire old habits. Progress beats perfection. You've just unlocked the secrets to why your brain fights your budget and how to finally take control. Every impulse you pause, every emotional trigger you spot, and every time you walk away from retail therapy, you're not just saving money. You're building a life of freedom and security. Remember, your habits aren't set in stone. With every small win, you're rewiring your brain to crave progress over purchases. If you're ready to go deeper, hit subscribe. We're just getting started. Until next time, outsmart your brain, own your future.